I want to share with you about these amazing winter treatments, the appealing way to give winter skin no chance on your face. If your skin is looking tired and lack of this beautiful zest that you know, or you're not alone, the cold and winds have, a knock-off effect on most complexions, leaving the skin looks worn out, tired and dry. And one of the most efficient ways to boost radiance at this time of the year is the herbal peeling. Peels can work wonders on for skin. They can clear acne, reduce the appearance of scars and dark spots and fine lines and wrinkles. Pure natural herbal peeling is a professional peeling treatment. It's not the one you do at home, based on freshwater sponges and seaweed, natural extract and nettle leaves extract. After each application, the skin is deeply cleansed. Excess oil is minimized and balanced. Dead skins are removed and refined, and you basically can see the new baby skin, new layer of your skin coming to life. Since it's natural, not chemical peeling, you will not look like you are in a bad fire after a treatment. You will experience gentle peels, like after you burn in the sun or something, for a few days, and then 5 days after the treatment, you come back to me and I clean them off. Herbal green peel is wonderful, natural and powerful skincare treatment that I only do perform during the winter, because your skin can be more sensitive to sun, and we don't want to create pigmentation on top. So this is the season. The skin problem that will benefit from the peeling are large pore and excessive oil, blemish prone skin, acne scars or any scars, wrinkles, sagging skin, sun damaged skin like sunspots, hyperpigmentation, and just a very dull and tired skin. It suggests to apply the herbal peeling once every 15 days, like 4 times, but all my clients were good with twice. So we do the first treatment, do the peeling, then you come back to me after 5 days and I clean it. This is one set. We do this set twice and you get a beautiful results. You can see photos on my account. The natural herbal peeling treatment consists of the natural herbal powder, mixture of freshwater sponges and laminaria, seaweed, and the special natural herbal peeling lotion, which is fruit acids, aloe vera gel, papaya extract, nettle leaves extract, eucalyptus essential oil, vitamin C. Before the application of the powder and the lotion, I mix them together and it's like a paste, and I apply it to the face and gently massage it for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the sensitivity and what we are addressing on your skin. And and then I remove it and replace this kind of balancing mask on your skin, and you're good to go and watch your skin peels and transform. So what does the herbal peeling do? It accelerates the natural peeling. The upper skin layer will completely peel off, resulting in a fresh, beautiful skin. The massage and herbs stimulate the skin blood circulation, the metabolism, so it's detoxing. New cells are formed faster, and it has a positive influence on the production of collagen and elastin, which make your skin looks elastic and glowy. It smooths wrinkles and improve the skin quality overall, both in terms of color and skin tone. And of course, it deep cleanse any excessive oil or anything that needed to be cleaned. This ultimately causes the skin to become smoother, fresher, and elastic, and give this satin softness appearance. It's really nice. So again, the indication of acne, oily skin with big pores, acne scars, pigment spots, fine line, tired skin, and all this. And the treatment, like I said, is like about 1 hour when I see you, and then after 4 to 5 days, depends on your skin, we meet again and I clean it for you, and you already can see the result after one time. So you are welcome to read more if you like, or ask me anything you want to know about that. This is the season. Like, my clients really love it, and I do it also every season, and the results are long lasting and takes you to the next cold season.